Hey there, my amazing creative friends. I'm Nira, and welcome to the Nira-accessory channel. If you're obsessed with making shiny, unique, and beautiful resin crafts and accessories, you're in the perfect place. I've been pouring my heart into this channel for a year now, creating every video with love and passion just for you. Even though I haven't reached monetization yet, your support can make all the difference. So if you enjoy my tutorials, please hit that subscribe button, give the videos a thumbs up, and share them with your friends. Let's grow this fun and creative community together. Now, let's get to today's super exciting surprise, a tutorial on how to make jewelry using waste materials. Yup, we're turning what others throw away into something absolutely stunning. Stick around till the end because I've got plenty of cool tips and creative ideas just for you, and don't forget to check out my other videos. This creative journey is just getting started.